Let me show you how to withdraw funds from your online bank. 1. Go to datman.je. 2. Click on the login option. 3. Enter your username and password. 4. Click on login. Once you are logged in, you will see the withdraw option on the top of the page. Enter the amount you want to withdraw and click on withdraw. Please note, the cutoff time for withdrawing funds is at midnight on Sundays. If you make a withdrawal within the cutoff time, the funds will be transferred to your registered account on the following Tuesday. If you choose to withdraw funds past the cutoff time, you will get the funds on the next Tuesday and the following week. This can also be done from the online bank option on your system or the My Takeaway app.